Man, when you talk about body, a body of work, and your body when you utilize just what the Creator's giving you. Everybody thinking about having a perfect body, but you just got to make your body just the best that you can make it. So, man, with all this stuff going on, I decided to take what I call my bunker of success, and I ended my relationship with all the workout places, and I decided to not have no excuses and get up right up here and do everything I need to do. So when it comes to the body, man, I've trained with a lot of people, Miss Drea, Mr. John. I've learned from some great people, and I have my boxing trainer right now, Mr. Anthony, So I take all that and I just get busy. Go to work with your body. It's your body. If they don't work you out, they still gonna look good. But what are you gonna do with your body? Take care of your body. You only got one. Boom. I do up to 1,000 now. I started with 100. Then I went to 500. And I got motivated because I saw Sharon over here doing the jump rope. And she would do 500 at one time. And I was doing 100 high knees. I was like, can't do that. So I just started doing more increments of 100 and went up to 1,000. Now I could do no less than 1,000. If I do, I take those weights, and that's when I do 500 to kind of just make up for it. So the body is great, man. Take care of it. When it comes to taking care of your body, people have excuses. I don't have what it takes. I need to go to the gym. I don't have all the equipment. Man, make the best of what you have. So this weight, 35, this is about 34, right? Makeshift weights, but it's gonna do what you need to do for the body. Gonna do what you need to do for the body. No excuses. Just take care of yourself. I love it. I love it. Just switch it up. comes to the body, sometimes you gotta blow past the mind. And I know my segments are mind, body, soul, living legacy. Well, for that body to trick the mind, me being born with asthma and bronchitis, take my spray and just start moving. See, once you start sitting there too long, your mind will tell you tired already. Start thinking about doing the work for your body. Just get out of bed, start moving. Do what's necessary for your mind by working that body today. Boom.